my YouTube channel. So today we will learn about Adhoc testing. So let's get started. Adhoc testing is a type of software testing that is performed informally and randomly after the formal testing is completed to find any loophole in the system. It is also known as random or monkey testing. Adhoc testing is not performed in a structured way, so it is not based on any methodology approach. It is a type of unstructured software testing. There in Adhoc testing we don't have any documentation, we don't have any test design, and we will not have any test case. So this is a random testing. So we will see some examples. First example is, suppose you are testing a mobile banking application that has undergone formal testing, including unit testing, integration testing, and system testing. During Adhoc testing, you decide to explore the functionality related to transferring money between accounts. So we have some steps to follow Adhoc testing. That is, first we will do exploratory testing. You navigate to the money transfer feature and try to transfer a large amount of money to another account. Then random action testing. While entering the recipient account detail, you randomly click on the keypad to enter the account number to see if the application handles the input correctly. Then we will check the boundary. You try to transfer an amount that exceeds the user available balance to see how the application handles such transaction. Then we will check for the error handling testing. You intentionally enter incorrect recipient detail to see if the application displays appropriate error message. Then last, compatibility testing. You test the money transfer feature on different devices. Example, different models of smartphones to ensure it works correctly across various platforms. So what is result of that? During Adhoc testing, you discover that the application allow user to transfer money to invalid account number without displaying any error message. This is a critical bug that could lead to financial losses for the user. Then in second example we can see, suppose you are testing a web-based email client that has undergone formal testing, including all type of testing like unit testing, integration, and system testing. During Adhoc testing, you decide to explore the functionality related to composing and sending emails. So there also we will follow some step like exploratory testing, random action testing. So first step, what we will do, you compose an email with a large attachment and try to send it to the multiple recipient. While composing the email, you randomly click on formatting option like bold, italic, or etc. to see if they work correctly. You try to compose an email with an extremely large body text to see how the application handles such emails. Then intentionally try to send an email without entering a subject to see if the application displays an appropriate error message. Then last, you test the email composing feature on different browser to ensure it works correctly across various platforms. So during Adhoc testing, you discover that application allow user to send email without a subject, but it does not display any warning messages. This is usability issue that could confuse user. Then in third example, suppose you are testing a social media application that has undergone formal testing like all kind of testing, unit, integration, and system. But during Adhoc testing, you decide to explore the functionality related to posting, update, and sharing content. Then first step, what you have to do, you try to post a long update with multiple images linked to see application handle content correctly or not. Then while posting an update, you randomly click on emoji formatting option to see if they work as expected or not. Then you try to post an update with a large number of characters to see the application limit the length of the update. Then you intentionally try to post an update with invalid content like link, non-existence page to see if application handle the error gratefully. Then you try to posting an update feature on different devices like smartphone, tablet to ensure it work correctly across the various platform or not. So during Adhoc testing, you discover that application allow user to post update with extremely long content, which cause the application to crash. This is a critical bug that need to be fixed before the application is released to the public. So these are the three examples that we can do in Adhoc testing. So let's move further. So there are three types of testing. Like initially we have learned that Adhoc testing is also called as random testing or monkey testing. So first is monkey testing. Is conducted at a level of unit testing. The main purpose is to make sure that software is able to withstand crashes. Testers are trying to detect system break by inputting random data. Monkey testing does not require the preparation of any test cases. The second is pair testing. Pair testing is performed by two QA specialists of different knowledge level. They are working together on the same functionality or system module. One of them execute tests while another one record result. Both testers make suggestions on approaches and method to apply. The main aim to pair testing is to ensure maximum number of test scenario. And third is buddy testing. Is executed by the tester and developer working together on the verification of one module. Buddy testing is conducted after unit testing. The developer helps the tester to avoid invalid test scenarios and to report invalid test result. Buddy testing can also called as combination of unit and system testing. What are the advantages of Adhoc testing? So first is identifying hidden errors. Adhoc testing can identify error that may not be caught by formal test cases. Second is time efficiency. It can be performed quickly, making it useful for finding immediate issue. Next is creativity. It allows tester to think outside the box and create unique test cases. Next is improving product quality. By uncovering hidden issue, Adhoc testing helps build a more robust product. Next is flexibility. It can be conducted at any time during the software development lifecycle. So, what could be the process of Adhoc testing? So, as we have seen earlier, there is no predefined test cases. Adhoc testing does not rely on the predefined test cases. Tester explore the application randomly. Informal approach. Testers do not follow a formal approach but instead use their experience and intuition to find defects. Next is exploratory testing. Adhoc testing is similar to the exploratory testing, where testers explore the software without predefined script or test cases. So we have covered exploratory testing in the previous video, so you can go and watch the exploratory testing video. So there you will get the main idea of what is exploratory testing. Next is challenges. So there are some challenges like limited coverage. Adhoc testing may not cover all scenarios as it relies on tester intuition and experience. So there is no predefined test cases, so there might chances of missing any scenario. Next is documentation. Documentation, since there is no predefined test cases, documenting the test result and defect found during Adhoc testing can be challenging. And reproducing a defect is also challenging. Third is repeatability. It may be difficult to repeat Adhoc tests as they are performed randomly and informally. So, what is the overall conclusion of Adhoc testing is a valuable testing approach that can uncover hidden defect in software. While it may not be as structured as other testing methods, it can be useful addition to a comprehensive testing strategy, especially when used in conjunction and formal testing methods. So this is all about ad hoc testing. So thanks for watching.